A very good morning to all of you children and my dear colleagues. After having witnessed the challenge of the unprecedented pandemic of COVID-19 and having accommodated ourselves with its needs, we have reached a time where we must adjust to the new normal, for after all, life must go on. Today being the first day of this new normal, and to continue seamlessly in this new normal, we must all practice mandatorily certain protocols for safety. No stone has been left unturned by the school to provide you with a clean, hygienic and safe environment, as well as provide you with continued, effective and efficient teaching learning process. I am sure your support will strengthen our efforts further. So children, listen carefully and try to imprint and imbibe what I am going to say now in your minds in such a way that you are able to carry out all these instructions like any other reflex action. Number 1, wear mask all the time. At no point of time should your mask be removed or it should not slide down your nose to the chin. Ensure that you sanitize your hands every time you touch your mask. I know you are meeting your friends after a long time and would want to hug them or shake hands, but please defer it for a few months till this pandemic is over. Even while interacting with each other, maintain a physical distance of at least 6 feet. While doing your practicals, do not crowd at one place to get the equipments or the other necessities for the practical. Remain in your designated space. All of you must carry a personal sanitizer with you and some tissue papers and handkerchief. Make sure you follow hand hygiene as well as respiratory etiquettes while sneezing or coughing. Also, dispose of the used tissue papers appropriately. Sanitize your hands immediately if you are touching any frequently touched surfaces such as doorknobs, handles and lab equipments, etc. Keep one spare set each of mask, gloves, tissue, handkerchief, sanitizer in your bag for use in emergency. All students must eat well before coming to school and carry with them some homemade food in case they feel hungry in the school. No sharing of food will be allowed. Canteen services too shall remain suspended and you will be allowed to eat in your respective seat only. Not just this, sharing of stationery like pen, pencil, rubber, books too shall not be allowed. So keep yourself stocked with these necessities. A special task force comprising of various committees has been created for your safety in the school. Namely, Awareness and Sanitization Committee, Medical Emergency Committee, Mental Health and Wellbeing Committee, Sanitization and Hygiene Committee, School Protocol Committee, Academic Restructuring Committee. The details of these respective committees are available on the display board and you may contact the relevant members in case of any query or difficulty faced in any of the aforesaid spheres. And of course, if you feel unwell, please do not come to school. Also, if any member of your house is showing symptoms similar to those of COVID-19 illness, then too please refrain from coming to school. However, do inform the authorities about the reasons for your absence. And in case you start feeling unwell in the school, please report to me immediately. Student volunteers will be appointed as COVID monitors in each class who will guide and monitor students in each aspect. Special care will be taken that any student or staff having suffered from COVID-19 is not stigmatized in any way. And last but not the least, if you are not feeling comfortable and are anxious or fearful, please feel free to approach the school counselor to allay all your fears and anxieties. And if you have any questions regarding COVID-19, instead of seeking answers from unreliable sources, for example WhatsApp, where you find so many unauthentic messages being forwarded, you better approach me. I am always at your service anytime, any day. With this, I wish health and safety for all of you and welcome you back into your nest. Thank you.